Hello. Today I will show you guys like how to do task number 2.1 and 2.2 of the class OOP. So yes, let's get in started with class 2.1. The very first exercise is to design a mobile shop by mobile to write a mobile shop phone shop to buy a mobile phone. So basically like that. So when you start, it's just like step by step to follow the step and going with the code and yeah, just that's it. So this is my class mobile. Yeah, this is my class mobile. So with the instant variable, the constructor of the mobile with the features with this like variable. Yes, with the fields I mean like yeah, and this one with like the property get and says and with the method like this one. So for the first start, it's just like basically following the step that like having guidance. So with the second task, like you will add more functionality to the mobile class to introduce a few more tests to ensure that you are coding in the class actually execute as you think. So so this one is just like acting on another object for testing. So for this one, I adding like try mobile for testing everything to make sure that like it's working. Yes, just another object to testing. Hang on. Just give it a second to run. Yeah. Yeah. This is another testing my this is the second object. This is the first object is the gym mobile. Yes, basically it's just task number 2 and it's task number 3. Create a new C# console application project to add class called employee. So this one is the employee project. This yeah. This one is employee project. So the overview is it's got the class employee with like field like name and salary, and just like this one is just property can return name and add the salary, return the salary. Yeah, and yeah, it's about this one is like set name or set a salary by set the very first salary for the employee, and they got the method to write salaries, and it also have the method to reduce the salary by task. So I put a if else over here to like to set up like the salary in a range of price that's gonna pop up like the calculation on salary. Yes, this is a calculation salary after tax. Actually this should be like after tax, but like I'm lazy to declare the name like that. Yeah, basically like this one. So with task number 4, create a C# console application project and add class called car with the following parameters with you. So this one basically like a program, a car program or car testing with the class car, and yeah, I will open for sure. Yes, basically it's just like a car program, and it's having car. So so the car got like the very basic like fields like fuel efficiencies. It means like how many liter per 100 kilometers or something, just like that. Total mile in the car is it have it set to 0 because like carbon drive it at all. So fuel in the tank, like how many fuel that's got in the tank of the car, and it's just got like get basic get and set method. It's just not get set. This is the property. Yes, it's property of the thing to get and set those things. Yeah, and they got like some extra order function like fuel cost. Add fuel. When you add the fuel, it's gonna pop up like how much that it cost, and how much that you add in the tank. Calculate cost. So this one I'm actually not like quite understand the requirement, but like to be honest, I think it's like you enter the fuel number and it's gonna calculate it into the uh, yes, how much does it cost. So convert it to liter is the same thing. Like you enter how many gallon that you got, and it's gonna convert into the liters. And the last method is like the driving method. You enter the mile, and it's gonna pop out like how much fuel money that have been spent for that mile. For example, you got like 10 miles, and they're gonna pop out like about like $100 because like you with the 10 mile you have been spending like 100 liters, for example. And this turn out the liter fuel in use is mean like how many fuel that you use for that specific mile, and it's gonna calculate how many money that's the cost for that fuel. Yeah, it's quite basic. And that is the complete for task number 2.1. So we move on with task 2.2. Let me check the requirement of task 2.2. Yeah. So basically this one is they're gonna give you the UML to try like yes, to drive program like according to the UML. It's very basic. It's got like the test account is the test account program, and like to run like to create the object or something like that. And you got a class account. So with the class they got basically have like they got few balance and name. Balance is mean like how much money does in the bank, and the name is for like represent for who owns this account. And the property name string is this like get and set method to manipulate the balance and name with return with specific value that we assign to it. And it has like functionality like account, deposit, withdraw, and print. So with the account is like the constructor. Yeah, with this account is a constructor to create the object according to the account. And deposit is the function that you can put the money in, and the withdraw is getting the money out, and it must display the balance after that for both the process. And the print is display the current balance and name. Yes, so it would be like this. Yeah, so basically it's gonna be like this. Yeah, so we got like employee class with no instant variable, with like constructor like this and so on, and it's got a get and set properties to get salary, gets name, set salary, sets name. And then the method like write salary is gonna add the salary after the percentage that you enter in the how many percentage that you rise. And they got like oh sorry, I'm so sorry for this one. I'm putting the wrong project. I think it should be banking. Yes, that's right. I'm sorry, it's put in banking. So sorry for that. I'm sorry, I went the wrong one. So it's got in the account. It's basically the same. It's got a name and balance. It's constructors to declare. So this one is the properties get a method to set name, get names. Oh, we don't get balance and set balance because like it's automatically declared by 0. Yes. So whenever we create the object account, it's gonna get like 0 in the balance. That's how banking account work. With the method, it's got deposit. So like we just add this balance with the money that we deposit. With withdraw, we just minus balance, gonna be balance minus the money that we withdraw. So with the print method, we just like print out our name and how many money we got in here. So this one a test account. I have been creating 2 of them. Like the dating to my own account is like Detroit, and the balance is 50. We enter this over here. This one is put object like the value of the get and set. Yeah. This one is the same, but let's see the same. So that's how I I am doing like assignment. I mean like task 2.1 and 2.2. Thank you.